Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Sri Aram Jain Vidyashram online English class. Today I am going to teach you a poem. The name of the poem is The Pine Tree. Let us read and enjoy the poem. Outside there is a pine tree standing straight and tall. It needs no decorations. Nature has done it all. Pine cones on its branches with icicles glistening bright. Snow upon its needles and birds at rest from flight. I see it from my window and take the time to say thank you for your beauty, tree, on this Christmas Day. Now let us look into the line-by-line explanation of the poem. Outside there is a pine tree standing straight and tall. The poet here says that he can see a pine tree outside his house. It is conical in shape. It stands straight and is tall. It needs no decorations. Nature has done it all. The pine tree does not need any decorations like hanging balloons, colorful stars, variety of gift, etc. because it is decorated with natural beauty. We will see how nature has decorated the tree in the following lines. Pine cones on its branches with icicles glistening bright. The tree here is naturally decorated with pine cones. Let us see what is a pine cone. It is a conical fruit of a pine tree. You can see the pine cones in this picture. The pine tree is not only decorated with pine cones, but it is also decorated with icicles, which means pieces of ice hanging from branches of trees. You can see icicles in this picture and you can find icicles on trees in snowy regions. These icicles shine brightly on the branches of the pine tree. Let us see with what else the tree is decorated. Snow upon its needles and birds at rest from flight. We can see snow upon the tree's needles. Needles means the leaves of the pine tree. They are pointed like the needles that we use for stitching. Snow upon its needles and birds at rest from flight. Flight means flying for a long time. Birds, after flying for a long time, they take rest on the pine tree. I see it from my window and take the time to say, thank you for your beauty, tree, on this Christmas Day. Here, the poet sees all this from his window, enjoys the beauty of nature, and takes time to thank the tree for its beauty on the Christmas day. Let us now identify the rhyming words in the poem. The word tall rhymes with the word all. The word bright rhymes with the word flight. Same way, say rhymes with day. Thank you, children.